Hi friends, I'm Anna Helman. Today I have a quick tip to share with you that helps with tying bows and also with saving ribbon for your beautiful cards. Let's take a look at it. This tip is specifically helpful when you want to put a bow on your card and make it look like that ribbon is wrapping around one of the card layers. So here is what I do to do this. I actually use one of my acrylic blocks. This is my C block, and I wrap the ribbon around. I tie this just like as if I were going to tie my shoes and get it all nice and ready in the center, crisscross like this. I make my loop. I'm showing this just because I know a lot of you have troubles tying bows. I wrap this around the top, the tail, and then I bring it through in the proper place. I get very nicely tied bows this way. Before I tighten it, I tighten up, straighten up the ends. Here you can see, I'll just have to trim a little bit off of this end, but what this gives me is a piece that I can cut in the back. And if I want the bow to be in the center, I'll cut it right here in the back center. Because I want this one to be over towards the left side, what I'm going to do is cut closer to the left side. We'll cut that off. And now I am ready to attach this. So I have my other piece ready. Here is the layer I want to wrap it around. And I have my glue dots. Glue dots are the absolute best way to attach bows and ribbons because you don't have to wait for glue to dry. You don't have to hold it in place. Get those glue dots on. Lay this around the layer and attach those pieces in the back. The other reason this is helpful is because when you want to, if you're trying to tie your ribbon around this piece, it's flimsy, it flexes, it causes problems. With the acrylic block, it holds everything in place and it saves all that ribbon on the back side that we are not wasting that. I hope you find today's tip helpful. Give it a like, help other crafters find my videos. I appreciate you watching. I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.